How's it going, everyone? Jude here from LMR.com. In today's video, we're going to discuss on how to remove the upper, lower, outer grills from your S650 Mustang. If you haven't removed your front bumper yet, be sure to check out the full video that we linked down in the description below.
With the front bumper removed from the car, lay it face down on a padded surface or a thick blanket. Dislodge the harness clip with a plastic pry tool. Use a pry tool to gently depress the locking tabs securing the impact absorber. When all the tabs are released, remove the impact absorber. Disconnect the electrical connections for both grille lights. Dislodge the clips securing the harness to the upper grille. Loosen and remove the 7mm bolts securing the grille lights and then remove the lights. There are 2 bolts per light. Depress the tabs on the locking clips and slide the clips towards the center of the grille to remove them. Use a pry tool and dislodge the tabs holding the upper grille to the bumper. Start on either the driver or the passenger side and work towards the opposite end, alternating from top to bottom. Once all the tabs are disengaged, remove the upper grille from the bumper cover. Now let's switch gears to the lower grille. With the impact absorber still removed, remove the harness clips from the slots in the lower grille. Loosen and remove the 4 7mm screws securing the bottom of the lower grille. Use a pry tool and dislodge the tabs holding the lower grille to the bumper. Start on either the driver or passenger side and work towards the opposite end, alternating from top to bottom. With all the tabs disengaged, remove the lower grille from the bumper cover. Alright, so to remove the corner grills, start by removing the 4 7mm screws securing the OEM grille cover to the bumper. If you have a GT with performance pack or a dark horse car, there will be a cooling duct affixed with these screws as well on the driver's side. Depress the tabs on the locking clip and slide the clip out of place to remove it. Use a pry tool and dislodge the tabs holding the corner grille to the bumper. Remove the grille from the bumper cover. After that, you're good to go.
All right, everyone, those are the easy steps on how to remove the upper, lower, and outer grills from your front bumper. To see more content like this, be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. And for all things S650 Mustang, keep it right here with the real enthusiast, LMR.com.